Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to quick mute on Discord. To get started, open Discord app on your device. Once you are there, you will see somewhat like this on your screen interface. Now go to the user setting option. Now it will open the settings page. Scroll down until you find keybites. After clicking on keybites option, you will see several keybites. Here you need to add another keybites. So click on this blue button and you will see the action right here. Now click on top. You need find this option to go mute. Okay, so find toggle mute, and now you need to put a keybind. So I will use this one. For example, you can use any key of your keyboard. Then you can click on this button and if you are on game and press the same key that you put there, and you will see right here that you will mute yourself. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us.